Hi, I'm Hieu and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're addressing an important topic that every driver should be aware of: navigating a DUI stop. Let's dive into some essential tips and best practices that could make a significant difference if you are ever caught yourself in this situation. Scratch that. Let's dive into some essential tips and best practices that can make a significant difference if you ever find yourself in this situation. First and foremost, the golden rule during a DUI stop is to remain silent. Remember, anything you say can and will be used against you in court. It's a common misconception that admitting to having at least just 2 beers will work in your favor. In reality, this can harm your case and sink your rising blood alcohol defense. You have the right to remain silent, so it's wise to exercise that right. In other words, just tell the officer, I'm not going to answer anything. I want an attorney. You're free to give me a ticket for whatever it is that you pull me over for. Or if you think I'm a DUI, go ahead and arrest me. It's better to deal with an arrest than a conviction. Be sure you take the blood test though. Now, it's crucial to understand that police officers are trained specifically for DUI stops. They have strategies to extract information and assess your condition. So when you're interacting with them, be mindful of this. Acknowledge the initial reason for the stop, but avoid getting drawn into further conversations or field sobriety tests. These tests are subjective and can be used against you. After an arrest, you'll need to make a critical decision between blood or breath test. Here's a key tip. Opting for a blood test can offer more avenues for legal defense compared to a breath test. And on top of that, you can retest it for fermentation or anticoagulation or even preservatives. This forces the officer to base their case more on observed symptoms, which could be advantageous for you in court. For example, he would have to go off his observation and he won't be able to embellish with the luxury of having a breath test number. It's also important to discuss the legal and social implications of a DUI. Beyond the immediate legal consequences like fines and potential jail time, there's a significant social stigma attached to a DUI. This can impact your employment opportunities and personal relationships. Being proactive in managing the aftermath of a DUI is crucial. Lastly, if you find yourself in a situation like this, it's essential to know what to do post-DUI stop. If arrested, make sure to comply with the required chemical test to avoid further complications with your license. Keep track of important dates like the DMV hearing and your court appearance. And most importantly, consider getting legal help to navigate through the process. Remember, the best way to handle a DUI stop is to be informed, assert your rights, and seek legal professional help if necessary. If you need legal advice or assistance after a DUI stop, don't hesitate to call our office. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful legal content. If you have questions, use the comment section below. If you don't want you air your dirty laundry out there for the world to see, you can use the make an appointment button or give our office a call. Thank you for watching.